Alright, where is the other fuel? I know you three were the last people in the shop, okay? I'm not mad. I just want to know where they are. Jonah?
Hey, don't look at me, look at Frankie.
Why would I take it? I am part of BizDev. I don't even touch these things. What would I do if they went missing? What would I do with them?
Oh, so how do you know they're missing?
Wuhan just told us that.
So do you know where they are?
No!
Yeah, sounds sus.
Simon, you've been awfully quiet.
Okay, first of all...
So this week I worked on prototyping the transfer system with belts, and then we realized that that didn't work as well as just using a series of tubes, like in airport security, where you go through. And then we started the final and finished the tubes and put the silicone covers on them to make them more sticky for the fuel. So here is our transfer prototype. It's half disassembled because we have all these. We're actively taking apart to replace it with these, which are going to be part of our final robot. They are tubes to transfer the balls, and they are sticky. They're going to be connected using timing belts to make them all move at the same time, and work to move the balls from our intake to our shooter.
All right, so this week for mechanical and basically we've been working on the game field elements. So we finished the trench and a whole bunch of the other stuff last week. Primarily this week we've just been working on the outpost, which is how the balls actually get distributed to the robot. And I actually recently just finished that like a couple seconds ago. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna wait for to start working on the actual robot for our competitions. All right, so this is what I just finished. This is the outpost. These are the game pieces right here. So basically, what this does is you pull this, right? You just lift it up. The game pieces fall down. I don't know why that one went over there. But essentially, the robot just picks them up, and we're going to use this for testing our robot to make sure it can intake properly, and that's basically it.
So, what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks has been primarily working on Climb and fixing up Snowball, the bunny bot, for an outreach event, February 12th. You should show up. It'll be fun. We get to go to the Clemens Crossing Science Fair and do science! Anyway, yeah, so first I started with prototyping Climb, and then we were originally thinking with the sort of winch system where we kind of like go up to the bar and pull ourselves up. But now we've sort of transitioned to an Andy Mark climber in a box. So we're going to do that now. I've just finished catting it, and we'll probably start fabricating soon. What I'm doing is I'm catting Climb and checking to see if these constant force springs that we're using for Climb are going to be able to fit. Also, another thing that I've been doing is, whoops, just follow me real quick. I kind of fixed up Snowball so we can have it for an outreach event. I believe I already talked about that, but it's fine, it's fine. So yeah, basically Electrical's working on it right now. But yeah, I just added these little, can I see that for a second? These little polycard plates in place of the wooden ones, so yeah.
I can't find the fuel anywhere. What about you, Jonah?
Not here either, Simon.
I can't find it anywhere. If it was here, it would be really obvious. I don't get why Ruhan's making us look.
Okay, so this week, the electrical team has been working on getting our snowball bot back in operation, and currently we are working on the wiring schematics for this year's robot. Right, so currently, electrical team, we have the whole squad here, and we are working on the schematics. As you can see, we have a little diagram going.
So business development this week, we have been primarily focusing on now the Impact Award, which is a huge tier first award where you need to prove out your impact in the community and over the past 3 years, and it's a lot of writing to do, but it looks very good for us, especially if we win. And we've also been working on smaller merchandise things. This is an example of some of the pin designs that we've worked on. This was last year's main design, which I'll likely be iterating on and changing in some form. This is our Pride design that I made that we've been using the past few years. And this is one of the designs I made this year, where I have it opened up here, where basically it's like Fred stepping foot on a new planet, right? And the new planet is the fuel, which is our game piece. And basically it's about just finding fun ways to mix the theme, right, and make things that look good and also represent our team well.